alternative medicine that one particularly acupressure can also give you a better digestion. This is the one point where acupressure point where you can press and you can have better digestion. Or there is a point here very near to your heart or very below the chest, exactly at the center. This point is also point of digestion. Or just below your knee, you can have below your knee on the side, just below, that is also point of digestion. Or just above your ankle, on the leg, just above the ankle on the side, that is also point of digestion. So acupressure and acupuncture can also be used for the digestion.